In this video, I will show you how to control your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV without the remote control. So if you misplaced your remote control or it's spoiled, then this video is going to be a very helpful one for you. Now, the first way to control your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV without the remote control is to use the power button that gives you access to the TV's menu. Now, in most Hisense TV, the power button is located just below the Hisense logo on the TV. So just below it, like so, you're going to see a button below it. And in some TVs, this is actually on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So what you want to do is to basically press on that power button just once, and it is going to display this menu that you can now use to control the TV. So you can see if I press on the button like so, it displays this menu, and this menu actually has a duration within which it will stay and then it will disappear. Now what you want to know is that for you to be able to move through all of the options on the menu, you have to press on the button once. But then for you to select an option, you want to long press on that particular option. To do that, I'm just going to press on the button like so, and just to move over this menu, I'm going to press on the button just once until I get to whatever option I want to do. Now you can see that this menu actually gives me option to do a couple of things. For instance, I can move to any HDMI port, that is if I have a HDMI cable plugged to my TV. I can also increase the TV's volume and reduce the volume just without the remote control, but by using this button. So let's say I want to increase the volume, I can just long press on it like so, and you can see that my TV volume is now increasing. If I also want to reduce the volume, I can long press on it like so, and the TV volume will be reduced. Other things I can do is to basically turn off and turn on the TV. You can basically see that there is the power off button here, so I can basically turn off the TV if I want to, just like so. And to turn it on, I can also turn it on just with the power button on the remote control. Another way to control your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV without your remote control is to basically use the Vidaa Smart TV app on your mobile phone. Now this works for both Android and iOS. You just have to download the app from the App Store. I've also made a tutorial on how you can download and set up this app, so you can check the description box for that particular video. Now once you have your Vidaa application on your smartphone, what you want to do is to make sure that your TV and your mobile phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, obviously, you don't need the remote control to connect your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV to a particular Wi-Fi. If you have a wired Wi-Fi, then that is absolutely fine. What you just have to do is to plug it to your TV and it will connect to the internet. And if your TV has connected to a particular Wi-Fi before, maybe your phone hotspot or something, then just turning on the TV will make it automatically connect to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot again. Now, what you basically want to do is to make sure that your phone is connected to that same Wi-Fi, and once it's connected to that same Wi-Fi, you can just go ahead and open the Hisense Vidaa app on your mobile phone like so, and it's just going to automatically connect to the TV. Now what you want to do is to basically come to the remote control tab here, and then you just want to go ahead and control your TV. You can see I can basically control the TV like so, and I am not even using the remote control, but I'm using the remote control feature on the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV app. Now I can also, move over like so, and if I want to go back, I can also open any application directly from this smart TV application here. For instance, if I want to open YouTube, I just click on YouTube and it's automatically open on my TV as well. Now if I also want to, make voice commands, I can also make voice commands from this Vidaa Smart TV application. So it's also an alternative remote if you lost your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV remote and you want to look for a way to control the TV without having the physical remote control. This can also be a very helpful one. All you want to do is to make sure that you connect your smartphone and your TV to the same Wi-Fi. And obviously you don't need your remote control to connect your TV to the same Wi-Fi. If you have a wired Wi-Fi, or if it has connected to a particular Wi-Fi, maybe like a hotspot or something before, all you just have to do is to make sure that your phone is also connected to that same platform. And once you open your Vidaa Smart TV app on your mobile phone, just like mine, you should be able to control your TV with your mobile phone. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.